Hi, I'm Dan, tax attorney with the Gordon Law Group, and today I'm going to tell you the 5 things you need to know if you've prepared a tax return and it's got a balance due on it that you can't pay. Today in this video, I'm going to go over everything you need to know to tackle this problem, ranging from strategies such as getting a collections hold to filing an offer in compromise. And hey, while we're thinking about it, why don't you go ahead and like this video, make sure you subscribe, and if you've got any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. All right, the first strategy is to make sure you don't not file that return. If you have a return that's got a balance due, the worst thing you can do is just put it under the bed or in a closet and not file it. Why? Because if you don't file a return, you might be subject to some pretty significant penalties. That failure to file penalty, 5% per month or part of month up to 25%. So in just 6 months, you can owe an extra 25% on anything you owe if you don't file. Second thing is you can file an extension. So if you file an extension, you're going to not to be subject to that failure to file penalty. You still are going to be subject to the failure to pay penalty, but it's far less than failure to file. If you need a little extra time to get the cash together, it might be wise to file an extension, file the return by October 15th, and have the cash ready when you file. Number 3, if you file that return, got a balance due, and the IRS starts sending you letters, you can always call the IRS and request a collections hold. So the IRS is relatively lenient on these. They can give collections hold ranging from the short term to more of like the 30-day, 90-day range, depending on your situation. But this can give you a little extra time to get the cash together you need to pay the IRS in full. Fourth, you can always request a payment plan. If it's too high to pay, not going to be able to get the cash together in any sort of short-term time frame, it may be wise to just request the IRS to have a payment plan. IRS has pretty flexible payment plan options available depending on how much you owe. In general, the IRS wants to be paid back in about 72 months, which can be a pretty nice cushion and make the resolution process pretty easy. Now, if you file that return and it's a balance due that you're not going to be able to pay in any sort of amount of time, not even the next 10 years, then there's that last option, the offer in compromise. This is the settlement program that everyone talks about. Fantastic program, but you have to qualify. In general, qualification means that you're not going to be able to pay that tax bill in 10 years. It requires submitting a financial statement to the IRS. IRS is going to look at your credit history and make sure all the numbers line up. But if you do qualify, it's a way of drastically reducing that debt and getting you on the path to compliance and in the good graces of the IRS once again. Now, if you're looking for some help, would like some assistance navigating your case through this process, I certainly recommend that you reach out to a tax attorney. And while you're there, you may as well reach out to the experienced tax attorneys at the Gordon Law Group. All right, now if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. I am Attorney Dan, and I'll see you in the next video.